Solve a Kakkuro logic puzzle. Aside from the popular Sudoku, Kakkuro, also known as Kakkuro, is also another type of puzzle that involves math and logic. It is a good alternative to the usual crossword puzzles you answer. It can be a very tricky puzzle to solve, but it is not an impossible task. If you want to be able to solve a Kakkuro logic puzzle, read the instructions below to help you whenever you find yourself stuck. Get to know the game. In Kakkuro, there is a grid similar to how a crossword puzzle looks like. Most of the boxes are blank, while there are some that has a number that you can refer to as a clue later on. Know how to look for hints. Every puzzle has a clue. It is just a matter of knowing where to look for it. The hints in this case are the clue numbers that are pre-filled in the grid. It is best if you use a pencil since you are expected to make a lot of erasures as you do trial and error. Follow the rules. The rule is simple. You need to do is pick a clue number and work your way by filling the boxes around it. The rule is that the numbers on the left, right, top, or bottom, when added should be equal to the clue number. Place a number from 1 to 9 in each block, but make sure that no number is repeated in a single run. For instance, if the number is 6, do not put 3 and 3 on the blank boxes. Instead, try 1 and 5, or 2 and 4. Check for duplicates. As you are only limited to the numbers 1 to 9, you need to know where in the puzzles are duplicates prohibited. Columns and rows right next to the clue should not contain duplicates. Also not allowed are duplicates in the clue loops that intersect. For example, the clue number in one area is 6, and you place 2 on one box. Another clue that intersects with the boxes around the first clue should not have a number 2. Double check your numbers. Kakkuro, being tricky, makes it impossible for you to solve if you provided wrong information in a square. As you have probably noticed, each square is related to one another in solving the puzzle through the clues. Hence, if you commit a mistake on one, you will have to retrace your steps and make corrections to complete the puzzle. If you are able to finish filling up the boxes, the calculations to sum up the clues are correct, and there are no duplicates, then, you have solved the Kakkuro logic puzzle. For first-time solvers, expect to do a lot of trial and error and invest more time when solving the puzzle. There is no point hurrying your solution, as double-checking it later on when you get stuck is more of a headache. it is best to use a pencil so you can erase your writing and replace the boxes with the correct values.